show you everything I got done here. With the engine bay, the intake, only because I love how that thing sounds. I got it resprayed by Rich in the clan over there at the body shop. The whole car got resprayed completely. I had to take the wheel liner off. I'm still trying to figure that out because, you know, she's low, you know. Headlights got taken care of. I had sanded them. I still haven't coated them in anything, but they look 1,000% better. As you can see, that one's brand new. Did have an issue. BBS is wrapped in pilots. When I bought these wheels, this had a 3-inch in the front, 4-inch in the back. So you saw the video where I rebuilt these, and now it has 1.5 inches from SSR. It has a Bag Riders airlift system in it. Incredible kit. I went like 3 times to AutoZone and here and there to buy things, only to come back and that I hadn't searched well enough. So yeah, again, can't say enough about Bag Riders. Incredible kit. So what else did I do? We got the gill here, the side vent. Got that blacked out and painted inside. New M emblems. You see everything was painted. Brand new. Brand new. Let's go ahead and close this. New emblems. What else do we have here? The rock guard. The back wheel, you saw me rebuild this as a 3-inch BBS slip now. The fenders were rolled. She has this beautiful ostrich interior, which this was the color combo. Like when I saw it, I'm like, this is the one. Big shout out to the boys, Rich and them. They took it completely apart for me. We got the stubby antenna. They took everything apart. They painted the rear, I guess little wing, whatever you want to call that. And I haven't done the exhaust yet because it's tricky with the exhaust. Some of them drone, but it seems like Flow Masters is the way to go. I may go that way. Brand new emblem, another new emblem. This thing is beautiful from every angle. And right here, this is not even the lowest setting. She actually goes deeper, but I just don't want to stress the bumpers out because it's a pretty fresh paint job. And yeah, again, man, spread the word, share the page. I don't get paid for none of this, and I'm trying to monetize it. I'm just trying to bring more content, man. You know, cars is my passion. It's what I love to do. Sorry for the long rant. I think you guys know I'm pretty transparent. Maybe you guys can help me take this to the next level, man. I think anyone who knows, like, especially the E30 scene, you guys know, man, I'm as humble as they come, bro. I hope you guys appreciate the landscape video that I did just for my YouTube people, man. I love you guys, and you guys are extremely loyal and have motivated and inspired me. I get the messages, I read them all, even when I don't respond, but I do try my best to respond to all of you when you guys have a question. So keep it coming.